Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive Coming by Sydney. This is the Audi Q5 with the front end cover. Job that we done for the coolant leak and all that. I've driven the car for 20.7 kilometers. 20.7 kilometers I've driven the car. And then, excuse me, this car's been running for nearly an hour on the hoist. I have checked underneath the car, there's no coolant leak or oil leak. The level is still above. But just want to show you the valleys. Just bear with me. If you can look down there, let me try if I can zoom in. It's hard to see, but if you can look there, there's no coolant or oil whatsoever. That's just metal, just bare metal, like pure metal there. Before that was full of oil and coolant. But now I'll just let you know, just want to show you, but it's harder to see because, so I've got a, let me take the flash off. Alright, let's have a look at that. That's the actual valley right there. That's the valley. Alright, see? So that's the glare there, but that's the valley. Let me put some light there. There's some light around here. There you go. See that? There's no mark whatsoever, no coolant marks, it's all dry. Alright, right there. That's just from before, the oil mark from before on the corner of that piece of metal there, but there's no oil whatsoever in there. That's just the color. So that little part there is just the color of the actual metal because it was soaked in oil. But if you look at that area there, there's not one coolant drop or one oil drop. Alright, so I'm going to take it for a proper road test later, and then we'll go from there. Oh, oops. Okay, everything's back on. Let's have a look underneath. This is underneath the car. It's the belt, the new belt. Car's been running for about probably 2 hours already, including the time in the workshop and road test before. That's the new harmonic balancer. As you can see, there's no oil leak underneath the harmonic balancer from the new seal that we put in. If you look closely at the actual, see the seam there? Not even one drop of oil. Look at the alternator side. Look at the alternator. Compared to before, it's covered in oil.